Hello YouTube. I'm back again. It's Michael, your boy. I'm back again on my YouTube channel. So guys, I'm back again on my YouTube channel to to summarize on how last week I posted my video on NAS 100 and we are on NAS 100 again on 1st of May. You understand? So guys, so we're on the 1st of May. So I want to stay analyze the chart and also tell you on what you should be expecting and what you should be avoiding in the forex market. So as you can see, we are on our on our last 100, and you can see that price has set a long time ago, and you can see that almost about 3 months now price was selling and then sell, then now you can see this week dropping, trying to buy to the top side. So as you know that I'm a swing trader, I start my own analyzation at the monthly down to the 4 hours. So what we have to do now, we have to mark out our key areas that we know that price will due to respect, and then we should be looking how we can navigate through that and see how we can find opportunities to buy and sell. So what we have to do now is that we are on our monthly time frame. The next thing I have to do is we have to mark out our key areas on the monthly time frame. So on the monthly time frame, we have this place, it's our support, it's our support here. We have this zone here, it's our resistance, this one. So resistance. Let's move it closer so that we can understand what we're doing. So these are our key areas right now on last 100. This is our support. This is our resistance. So we have marked out our most key areas on the monthly. So what we want to do now is that we want to go down to the weekly time frame. So let's dive into the weekly. So let's go into the weekly time frame. So on the weekly time frame, we have this area here is our weekly, and this weekly support. Remember that now we are approaching what? We are approaching another time frame. So what we have to do is to do what? Is to change our our trend line, you understand? To change our lines, you understand? So this is our weekly support area. So let's dive in. Let's mark out. We have that. We have this here. Here again is our weekly support. Weekly resistance. We have this place here. This weekly resistance. So you can see that we have marked out this weekly resistance, and weekly support. So now we have to go to the monthly, to the daily. So we have to go to the daily. So now we are on the daily. Now again we're going to change it. We're going to change this color. The reason why I'm changing this color is because I want you to understand what you're doing. I want myself to understand what I'm doing. You understand? Like I don't want to lose out, like trying to confuse myself. So when prices come into this area, I want to understand what price is really doing. You understand? I want to understand what is this price trying to do? What is this price trying to do? So I can understand how to navigate through it. I can know that okay, price approaching our weekly or daily level, price approaching our monthly level, price approaching our 4 hour level, so that I can understand how to navigate through that, so that I can understand how to trade in a very good way. So as you all can see, this our key areas marked so far. You can see this is the weekly the weekly the weekly resistance, uh, weekly support and daily support, daily resistance. So you can see that price has break daily resistance. So what we will expect is that when price break daily resistance, we want a retracement to a demand area, understand, or a support, or price respecting is a support area and giving us a breakout, and then we are buying. But if price is not respecting the support, we are expecting price to respect a demand and then start buying to the top side. So what I'm looking here, I'm looking for us to stay lookout to buy more up to even I think 20,000 30,540. This area here, we should be looking around this area before price will retrace and then still continue to buy more. So what we should be looking at is to still buy. If you are like a intraday trader, you can still buy. But for maybe a swing trader, heavily swing trader, what you should be looking at, you want price to go down, break this area, and then retrace back to the demand and then start going to the top side. So that is what you should be looking at. So we have marked out our key areas here on the daily. So what we have to do now is that we have to go to the 4 hour, which 4 hour. I stop my analyzation at the 4 hour. So this is the 4 hour, right? This is what we have. Price was break this level, and we are expecting price to come back to this area and start buying. So where is our key areas on the 4 hour? So our key areas on the 4 hour. We have this. We have this here too. Then we have this around the zone. We're going to change the colors so that we can understand what we're doing. Am I using yellow here? Okay, let's use yellow. So this will make you to understand what we are doing much better, right? So we have marked out that. Let me see. Mark this on 4 hours. I think we have 4 hours around the zone again. We have 4 hour here. I think here around here. 4 hour, we have 4 hour here. Um, so we have 4 hours. So for those of you who want to trade this, want to trade this as intraday traders, you want to maybe trade this from here, from this area down to maybe around this area here, to this area here. What we should be looking at right now? Let's go down to the 1 hour time frame. Uh, 1 hour time frame. I think you should be looking to. You guys should be looking around this zone here. Look around this zone. Let me go down to buy. Look around this zone. Let me see. So this is how I, mark up my chart and then look for entries. You understand? And normally I look for entry at 4 hour, but guys, if I'm swing trading, you understand. But if I'm day trading, I'm looking for maybe 15 minutes to 5 minutes. That's if I'm not I'm swimming. If I'm day trading, I'm just looking for just 15, looking for entry at 15. So for me, you guys should be looking at the zone around this area. Looking to buy here. Looking to buy. Looking to buy around this zone. This is my entry. You understand? I'm buying here. Yeah. So if you buy here, you should be expecting to take profit around this zone, 20,000, 400 something around this area. You should be looking at to take profit. So that is my analysis on NAS 100, you understand. So that's how I mark out my chart and I look out for potentials of buying or selling, looking at market structure, direction. But I still want to tell you that, see guys, financial market is more than just what I'm doing here, you understand. It's more than this. It's combined with your psychology, combined with your mental, and how you discipline yourself. That will make you that profitable. But you shouldn't just put your hope on only chat. I want you to have a clue on chat. But trading is more than just understanding chart. Trading is more than just understanding this pattern or whatsoever that it's in here. Discipline really, applying trading and how you do things really applying trading. So you should focus on how to improve yourself and how to understand how to trade, understand but the most important thing as a beginner what you should be looking at is to understand the market, you understand. It will help you, but it is more than just the chart at the same time. So right now that we have analyzed this our market, I think we should look into I think we should be looking for. Let me see. Let me see what we should be looking at right now. Is it? What I'm looking at is. Sorry. So let's look at Euro USD. So this is Euro USD. I think I analyzed Euro USD too. Um, I think I analyzed Euro USD too. So let me see what to do here. Let's see what to do. We analyze this Euro USD too. So I'm coming. Just give me some minutes first. Let me see what I will do. So I think. So now we are on Euro USD, right? So let me start to analyze again and also show you my entrance and how I want to enter. Let's dive down to the monthly. I like starting for the money so we can understand the overall direction and where and how price want to go at the moment. So this is what we have now. So what is what we have on the monthly. This area here, we see resistance, and this area here, we can call it a support. We just mark this one here, support here. Change around yeah. So we have this place here as a support, we have this place as a resistance. And price has broken the monthly resistance. And what are we expecting now? Is that we have marked out our key area. So the next thing we have to do now is to do what? Go down to the month and to the weekly. Let's go down to the weekly. Weekly. So on the weekly, we have this. So we have this here. We have this the weekly support. This is the weekly support. Change the colors. What we are doing. Weekly support. Weekly support. Support weekly resistance and me. Have another one weekly resistance. Have another one weekly resistance. So all of those places that I just marked, the price approach with this area, price going to do what? React. You see the price for the monthly monthly resistance around this area. We're going towards to break even the monthly resistance. So what are we expecting? We're expecting the price to give us kind of retracement and then continue again to the top. So what I'm expecting right now is that we should be expecting to see the price retrace a little bit and try to look out to keep buying. So let's dive in onto the daily. So on the daily right now, what we have, I think we have this here, the zone. I'm gonna change this color to what I'm going to take going to. You can see that on this daily support here, you can see that it match with the monthly resistance where price has broken the monthly resistance. So we should be expecting a reaction here, or if we don't see any reaction here, we should expect price to fall down to this area before it start going. But for me, what I'm looking at specifically, I'm looking at price to come and to respect this area here around the zone here. So if price respect this area here, we should be looking to buy more than then delete all of this. These are normal, these are normal mark. Let me take this off. So we have this daily here, daily support here. We have another one here. I think we have this. Another one is not a daily. Let me see this here. We have that. And so what I'm expecting now, I'm expecting price to respect another resistance here. So we are expecting price to respect this area and then stand by. But if price does not respect this area, we should look for price to sell down to this maybe around this zone here, then keep buying. But for me, basically, I'm looking at this area. This is a very important zone for me to look at. So you can see that we have marked out our daily, and then now we are moving down to the 4 hours. So on the 4 hour, this is what we have on the 4 hour. So on the 4 hour, I have this here. Put this here. Have 4 hour here. We also have 4 hour here. Yeah. So we have 4 hours. So what I'm looking at right now is to price. If price respect this zone here, what and basically for me, what I'm looking for price to break this price come from this zone here and then break this support. This may be, I think if you go down, this the 1 hour resistance. So if price break this area, we should be looking to buy more. You understand? But my buying here, what will happen is that if I'm buying around, if price break this 1 hour resistance here, I'm buying here, I'll be taking profit around any of this area here because price can react here and then start coming down. So if I want to swim this trade, I will wait for price to break this one automatically and then give me a retracement, and then I will buy to the top side. But if I want to right now, if price break this level, I'm just buying here to around this zone because price can definitely respect the supply area and then start to sell down. So what I'm looking at, I'm just looking at price around this zone. This area is a very key important zone, so you should be looking at this zone. Yeah, so let me go down to the 1 hour. The 1 hour. So for the 1 hour here, what I'm looking at, you can see price around this place is trying to react. But if price could come up and break the zone here, around the zone here, then I'll be looking to buy more. But if price did not do like that, then it's selling, then I'll be looking to wait for price. What I'll be waiting for here is that I'll be waiting for price to break this daily and support, break it and then retrace back to the levels to the supply area, and then I will enter. But so far so good right now. What I'm doing now is that I'm still waiting. If price break this level, then I will buy to this area here, then take profit, then wait. If price break this level, then give me a replacement, I will buy for a swing. So that's what I'm expecting on Euro USD. That's my thought on Euro USD. So guys, thank you for watching my video and God will bless you. Keep watching my video and keep liking it.